Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the materials or inspiration for your marketing purposes in Canva. So in here, I've already opened the Canva web and you can just start by going to the design spotlight here. Then the menu will be shown, and in here you can see here on the right side there will be marketing section. So in here there are lots of marketing materials or marketing inspiration that you can use. For example, you want to create a poster for your brand. Here you can just click on poster. So after that, Canva will uh, bring you to this poster page. Here you can design and print custom posters uh, for your brand. You can also shop posters by orientation. There are landscape and portrait poster. And here you can also see the price set by Canva team if you want to print and the poster will be sent to you. You can select the materials here, and if you want to see the templates here, you can show poster by popular categories. You can see there are lots of options, or you can also just search of a thousand of templates in here. Just type in poster and Canva will show you the list of options of posters templates that you can use. Okay, you can just select one of them, the one that you like, and edit it on your own or just use it as it is. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.